I'm finna drop myself off in that blender, man. P. Stay tuned. Hey, this gonna be real easy. We're gonna be using 3 guards. We're gonna be using a half, a 1, and 1.5. Let's get active, dog. Hey, so the first thing we're gonna do is comb the hair out. I'm gonna comb my beard. And then go ahead and comb that hair a little bit. You feel me? So I'm gonna be keeping like this right here kind of thick. I don't want to cut too much of that growth off. You feel me? I'll be having that hair looking kind of wild. All right, so this gonna be a hot taper. We're gonna be starting off with our fabulous trimmers. We're gonna make that first guideline. We're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. I'll take a razor blade and then I'm gonna make it extra bar. So look, you gotta make sure you're being careful so you don't cut your face. Just make the transition look a lot better when you do it like that. I put the 1.5 open on the instant X's and I'm just gonna do some debulking. Open it all the way up like this, and then we're gonna make the first guideline. Now I'm gonna close it and then we're gonna blend out that line. So now I'm gonna put the 1 guard on and I'm gonna open it up about halfway and create the second guideline. Put the half guard on there, and then we're gonna close it all the way and blend out that middle line. Now I got the 1.5 on there, got it all the way closed. And I'm just gonna be coming in here just to get out these little dark spots. I don't really do too much to the back of my head. It's a little line, nothing crazy. I'm gonna take you a mirror, make sure you angle that thing into another mirror, and then you just go to work. Now it's time to get active on his beard. I'm gonna hold this mirror, and I'm gonna line this right here up. Now I'm gonna line this up on the hip. So now I'm gonna comb my beard again, and then we're gonna start shaping it next. Hey, so now I'm gonna do a freehand shape on it with these clippers right here. If you don't be careful, your ass gonna be beardless, so please be careful. Now I'm gonna do some blending right here. I'm gonna blend this in really nice, and then I'm gonna hit it with the razor. And then we're gonna do my favorite thing, the razor work on the beard. Just like that, we done, man. I leave my edge up kind of natural, you know what I'm saying? But look, you gotta let that hair down. It's all. GG's. Boom!